Aloha everyone! Today I'm excited to take you on a tour of a stunning mid-term rental here in the highly sought after neighborhood of Kaimuki-Kahala. If you're looking for a comfortable home away from home on Oahu, this 2022 built 2-bedroom just might be the perfect place for you. Nestled in the Ocean View neighborhood of Kaimuki-Kahala, this home is one of the premier areas on the island. Let me show you why this location is ideal for your next stay. We're just minutes away from everything you need. Kahala Mall with its shopping and dining options is close by, and you have easy access to the H1 freeway to get anywhere on the island. Plus, if you're into the outdoors, you're in luck. Kahala Beach with its golden sand and swaying palms is only a 4-minute drive away. Imagine morning walks on the beach, watching the dolphins at the Kahala Hotel, which is just down the road. And for a taste of adventure, Waikiki is just a short 10-minute drive away, where you can enjoy its iconic beaches, vibrant nightlife, and incredible dining options. The home is bright and modern, with clean lines and a spacious layout, perfect for a relaxing Hawaiian stay. Right when you step inside, you'll notice the light-filled living space. This home features split AC in every room, which means you'll stay comfortable no matter the season. The kitchen is fully stocked with everything you need to cook up your favorite meals, and there's a private outdoor seating area where you can enjoy breakfast or wind down after a long day of exploring. The kitchen is sleek and functional with brand new appliances, plenty of counter space, and beautiful cabinetry that adds a nice touch of island charm. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or experimenting with local recipes, you've got everything you need right here. The unit has 2 bedrooms, each featuring plantation shutters that let in that amazing Hawaiian sunshine while still offering privacy. Both rooms have plenty of closet space and of course air conditioning to ensure you sleep comfortably. The tile flooring throughout the home is easy to clean, and it gives the whole space a modern upscale feel. One of my favorite features of this rental is the private outdoor dining area. It's a great spot to relax, have a cup of coffee in the morning, or enjoy dinner al fresco. You'll also have free off-street parking right in front of the property, which makes coming and going a breeze. Now, let's take a closer look at this beautiful rental unit. This midterm rental is perfect for anyone looking for a comfortable, well-located home base while exploring everything Oahu has to offer. Whether you're here for work, a family getaway, or just looking to immerse yourself in the island lifestyle for a bit, this property has it all. Thanks for joining me on this tour today. If you're interested in learning more about this rental, or if you'd like to book a stay, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more home tours and insights into living on Oahu. Thanks for watching.